Assalamualaikum. Now I will show you the tutorial of using Gizmos app. First step, just search Gizmos in the Google search. Then click the first one. We need to sign up. So click here. We can log in using our Google account. After we log in, this is how it's look in the Gizmos app. This is example of one of the account that we log in. Right, now click the Gizmos logo here. So you can see all the features that have in here. Right, now we can search what we want to explore in this app. So as physical education teacher, we search physical education and just pick one of them. I click golf range. So this is one of example of experiment that have in this app. Before we go through to this experiment, we can preview how this experiment go by click video preview.
Hi, my name is Ali Legra and I'm going to tee off this gizmo with you.
So the apps already prepared the tutorial for us to use it. Then we go to the experiment, click launch Gizmo, and then it will show the experiment for us, so we can control the experiment. So just click whatever the tutorial already said. So this is one of an example that the apps have. Other than that, we also can answer the question that have been prepared for us to answer. It also prepared the answer already for us to make it easy. So this is the question and the answer. They have other options that we can choose, such as this lesson material, teacher guides, student exploration sheet answer key, and vocabulary sheet. We can explore many experiments that have been prepared in these apps. Right now, let's just move to next features, which is STEM case. So in these features, also many experiments we can choose to see it. So I, as physical education student, physical and health education student, will choose the experiment that related to my subject. I choose enzyme, for example. it also gives us the tutorial for us easy to use it.
Welcome to Explore Learning's STEM case.
So this is a tutorial that have been prepared for us to see. Other than that, also the material, we can see all of these. And then we can use the experiment. So this is how it's like. So this is the experiment that have been one of the experiments that have been prepared by the apps.